So as you can see here, I've got my Wolf A1. Now you might notice something a little different. It's got this rail up here on the handguard. Now a lot of people have been interested in these rails because, you know, mounting flashlights and whatnot, and the screw size, to save you guys a little bit of time, if you go to like Ace Hardware or whatever, these are 8x32 machine screws. Now it's 8x32, and the particular length on these is 1/4 inch. Now these I use Phillips head because the Phillips head would fit inside the hole on the rail. This particular rail works great for like mounting a flashlight. That clamps on there just fine. But what I've found doesn't work is the quick release, say like on a red dot. But I wasn't going to mount a red dot there anyway because, well, it's a flat top. You can just mount it back here. It'd be silly to put it up there. So if you're interested in a rail like this, remember the screws are 8x32, 1/4 inch long. And I'm going to give you a link to these rails, or you might be able to find them just by looking at it, and you look up Picatinny rail like on eBay, and this one has the 4 holes in the center and the 2 ends are slotted. So hope this helps you guys out, and happy shooting.